Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create Redbubble stickers on Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now as you know, in Redbubble, you will be able to start selling different types of product. One of the most famous products to be sold in Redbubble is stickers. So we will be teaching you in today's video how you could utilize Canva, which is an amazing platform for creating different types of designs, and use the Canva feature or the Canva software to create amazing sticker designs that you could start selling in Redbubble. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, think of a topic or a theme that you will be creating a design on. That is the most basic thing that you would need to do when creating any type of design for any type of product. So that's what we're going to do first. Think of a design that you would like to start creating a design of. Let's say for me, I would like to create a design or a sticker of a sunflower. So now we have our topic. We're now going to go to Canva over here, wherein we will be creating our design or our canvas. Now, in Redbubble, you are required to have a minimum of 1000 pixels so that you will have a good quality of output. You will be able to find that information when you click on your profile, click on sell your art, and click on add designs over here or add new work. You will be able to find that information over here. As you can see, they recommend a high resolution JPEG, PNG, or GIF with a minimum of 1000 pixel resolution over here, as you can see. So that is the first thing you're going to do to ensure that you have a 1000 pixel resolution or above. You're going to have to click on create design over here and click on custom size. Then simply choose the pixel option over here on the options in this section. Then go with whatever width and height that you want to have, as long as it is 1000 pixel or above. So we're going to go with 1920, then we're going to adjust it in this section. We're going to resize it so that we have our 1x1 output, because I prefer editing on a 1x1. So let's click on resize once again. Then let's change our number over here, 1920 as well. Then resize just like that. Now after that, like I said earlier, our topic for today's video is going to be a sunflower. So in using Canva, the three main elements or the three main feature that you will be using when creating any type of design, not just stickers, is the elements over here, uploads, and text over here. So click on elements. Then over here, you could search for any type of elements, any type of topic, and it will show you graphics, videos, and even images that you could use to build up your design. In uploads, you could upload any type of design or any type of photography that you have in your computer. Either you took it yourself or you got it from the internet. You could upload it in Canva and then use that for your design as well. And you could also use text over here, which would allow you to use different types of font and font groups to make your design even better. As you can see here, there are different types of styles, different types of font that you could use to improve your design. So we're going to go to elements and we're going to focus on what I said earlier, sunflower. So we're going to search sunflower on our search bar. And as you can see, you have graphics, photos, and videos, and even audio over here. And you could use any of this option to create your output. So for me, I'm going to go with the graphics. Graphics is usually painting or like digital artwork. And as you can see, we have our output over here. Now we have different options over here. We can simply choose the option that we want. For example, this one over here. Very simple sunflower design. Put it in the middle just like that. Then we could add more design to our output. So let's say we would like to add more sunflower output. Just like that. Let's go put this on like the side area over here. Put it on the back. Just like that. Make it bigger. That we're going to have like a cluster of different sunflower designs over here. Put it over here. Like that. Position it to the back as well. That. What we're doing right now is we're utilizing the different features where we can layer different types of elements together to create an amazing output. So go back to elements. Go back to our sunflower over here. Let's look for more elements that we could cluster together with our sunflower over here. We'll look for more designs. For example, this one. I think I don't like that one. So let's look for another one. Let's look for at least 4 more. This one, I'll go put this. Put it over there. Make it smaller. Let's turn it around a bit, just like that. Then position it to the back once again, like that. And one last sunflower that we could use to add to our design. Let's look for one. This one over here. So simply click it, and it will be added to our page over here. Then move it to the back once again. Now we have a cluster of sunflower. Let's select them and center it like that. Center our main flower to our canvas, just like that. Then let's adjust our different layers, just like that. And we could make this just like that. Let's make this a bit smaller. Yeah, just like that. Then let's search for fern, or like a flower that we could use, or I mean a leaf for our output. Let's look for this one. We could use this one maybe. Could click this and put it behind our main flower, just like that. So we have like a leaf behind our main flower. There we go. And now we have a cluster of sunflowers behind our main sunflower over here, which is this one over here. So we created a very simple sunflower sticker right away. So we're going to center that. I'm going to group all of this just like that, then put it on the center of our design over here. So let's find our center. Click on center, like that. It's not centered, so I'm going to manually do it instead, just like that. Then you can add any type of element that you want. Let's go with text over here. Let's look for text or a font that we could add to our design over here. Maybe this one over here. You can click this and it will be added over here. And you could add any type of information, maybe like a watermark for your output. You could put your name or any type of output that you would like. So let's say sunflower. Always facing you. And let's adjust the sizing over here. Always facing you. That, and put this over here. Let's fix our layouts over here, just like that. And we have our always facing you output there. You could add whatever type of font that you would like to add over here. This is completely up to you, but for now I'm going to stick with this one over here. So this is our sticker, which is a sunflower theme. And what we're going to do next is we're going to click on share, download, and you could download it as is, or you could also enable transparent background if you have premium version of Canva. So you don't need to worry about using the different features. Most of the features are available even if you don't use or if you don't buy a premium version of Canva. So for me, I'm going to use this, but it isn't really required, so I'm going to do this either way. So click on download, and now we have PNG over here. Simply going to wait. There we go, it's being downloaded. Now going back to Redbubble over here, simply going to upload our work and upload our sunflower just like that. And then it's currently being uploaded. You can simply type in whatever title that you want. So let's say sunflower sticker, or you don't need to say sticker to the title because I'm going to show you in a bit. And this is our output over here, our design. And you could add your tags also and description over here. And as you can see, it is not limited to a sticker. You could use this design to literally any products that you want. But if you want to stick with the stickers, and as you can see, this is our sticker options over here. You could also have it on a dress, on a phone case, on a mouse pad, pillowcase, print cards and posters, desk mat over here, cat mats, and all of these different products that you can see right now. You could use it for them as well. You're not limited to stickers. I think one of my favorite output is this tote bag over here. It looks really great. And after that, after selecting the specific product, of course, including the stickers and magnet, you can simply scroll down over here to the bottom. And you could select the media over here, digital design, like that, digital art, then agree with Redbubble, and then disable or say no to the mature content. Unless your sticker has a mature content, you should enable this. And simply click on save on work, and your work will be successfully added, and it will take 15 minutes to appear on your portfolio. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Canva to create an amazing sticker that you could upload in Redbubble and start selling as well. And you can see here also different mockups. This is our sticker over here, normal sticker, glossy sticker, and transparent sticker over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.